welcome back to my YouTube channel Self Study with Navi. So hurry up guys, अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जल्दी से कर दो. So there is one more important announcement guys. My PTs are going to start from tomorrow. So the PT preparation study vlog will be coming on 23rd or 22nd. So stay tuned and let's start with our today's video. So guys, what we have to do for writing the notes, we have to first learn how to write a good title or a good subheading. So first I'm giving you some ideas how to write a good title if you have to write a chapter number 1. So what you can do, so please see the video till end and subscribe to my channel and like the video also. So these are the 3 ways in which you can write your title. More are there, the link in the description box for title and headers video. So if you want to watch that video, then go to the description box and click on the link. So friends, which is your most favorite title? Comment down number 1, 2 or 3. So these are the ideas which I use to write my subheadings, and at last I will also show you my sample notes through which you can get an idea how I take notes. Now title and subheadings are over, so let's move to a flowchart. If you want to make a flowchart, how you can present it. So these are the ideas. So now I'm going to share with you all my pattern of how I write notes on a notebook. So what you have to do, first you have to make a note फ्रॉम दी ऑल द टेक्स्ट बुक, मीन्स पूरी टेक्स्ट बुक की लिखी, इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स लिखने हैं आपने अपने रजिस्टर पे। उसके बाद आपने क्या करना है, यू हैव टू लेफ्ट one page. Okay, afterward you have to leave only one page. So now I'm going to show you. See, I have written all the notes, and the sticky notes I have also used to write important points and the, you can say, important questions. Afterwards I have left some space and put a line on the register so that I can see here my notes are over. Then I have left one page afterwards so that if any point or any topic skip from my mind, I can write it, or any question from online class also. So then what I have done, I have left 1, 2, or you can say 2 to 3 pages for the important questions which you can write on these pages, and you can also take this one title idea how I have written the important questions. So now I have left 1, 2, 3 and 4 pages. See, 1, 2, 3 and 4 pages for the important questions. After leaving the pages for important question, what I have done, I have written from YouTube. Means जो मैं अपने YouTube से समझती हूँ, ठीक है, important चीज़ें जो हमें बुक्स में नहीं होती बट वो समझाते हैं और वो हमारे लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट होती है, सो दैट आई हैव रिटन हियर. So this all pattern you can also follow. It's a very good pattern and all the points, all the topics, important questions सभी इसमें से आपके कवर हो जाएंगे. So ऑलमोस्ट एक चैप्टर के लिए आपके पूरे 20 to 25 पेजेस आ सकते हैं, एंड इससे आपके जो पूरे टॉपिक्स हैं वो भी क्लियर हो जाएंगे, इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस भी आपके ख़त्म हो जाएंगे. और यू कैन सी द things what I have done to write the notes. I have used same method for flowchart, titles, you can see subheadings, and I have used different colors, pen, ball pen for writing the examples and something different. Okay, so you can also use these type of things to make your notes attractive. So now I'm going to show my note taking method. What I'm doing, I'm writing the chapter 1 first. I know this all the students are writing like that only, but you should do attractive things, but not much attractive that you can take for one chapter 7 to 8 days. You have to just complete your chapter notes in just 2 to 3 days and in very good manner. So these things I am using for writing the notes. Highlighters you can take, I have also suggested in my last video that you can take any 2 color highlighter or any 3 color, not the 5, but if you want you can also take the 5 colors. It's not up to me, it's your choice. So let's see how I take notes. So first I have shown you my chemistry chapter 1 notes. I am just giving a hint to you all that how I take notes. You can also take this, and if you want that how I take biology notes, so you can comment down in my this video. So I will be soon coming with my that video also. So this is my note taking method. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is the overview what I have written. So till then, take care and bye bye.